today what we are going to see that it is in the Canva. As I told you, for the Facebook, any post, any attractive post, you could create simply by using this website. Okay, so you're not required to any technical skill. It is very simple methodology. I'll tell you how to do step by step. Please go with that. Canva, canva.com, canva.com. If you come up here, there is a asking about sign up with Google, sign up with Facebook. Anyone you could do this. Okay, already have a login account, so I'm coming out with here. Let me open up. Can you able to see my screen?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, then. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's taking a little time. 1 second. So even you can register. It is very free only. You're not required to anything else. If you feel that if you want to use more and more designs, very nominal amount they will charge for per month, 500, 600 rupees like that. But you initially not required to go for the pro version. First use it as a desktop version in a free. You come here, there is a button called create design. Okay. Uh, when you click the button, automatically will open the bottom cursor. There is a lot more option available. Facebook post and Facebook cover, Facebook app, presentation, social media. These all the templates already predefined pixel. Every social media they have the fixed one. For example, Facebook cover page it is 1200 into 680. Such kind of pixel. What will happen? This will have the compatible. That's what they have made these all the templates available here. I want to make it Facebook post. Now I will explain you how to do the Facebook post. I clicked it Facebook post. It came here. Now this is what it's a size. What is exactly the size is here. Okay. Let us create something different. Okay, these all the templates are already available. Anything, even if for your book, also you could design the cover in Canva. Everyone will do the same thing. What will take the reference for here? Like, okay, fine. Maybe since you are into the coaching, right? Coaching program. So this is the something. There is a website available. When I click it, these all are free. Free, you could use it. Something like a pro version. What will happen? Some images will be having the more advanced quality material. They will charge for that. That's the reason people they will say pro version. But no problem. You will get it. I will tell you the another website that you will download the free images also. Okay. I am clicking this. Automatically, what happened? It came here. Okay. So this is the image. You could do whatever you want. So like kind of wherever you, if you move the cursor, automatically will go like this. Okay. I want to move it like this. You can go. This person I want to make it here. You could move. This one I want to make it here. I can move. Okay. This is a pattern. I want to just move it. This I want to make it with more design. You could. The same way I want to make it copy paste also I can do. I just copied it and I want to paste it. Okay, what happened? Yes, two element I have come. Then I could make it design. If you want to make it, I am going to make it the same way. Okay. One more also we'll do. Control V, control. It's a shortcut. I say control V. We can do. Paste it. Yes. Then I'm going to take it out here. Okay. It's just like designs I'm making. How it works. Yeah. Okay. The text I will keep it in the top, and if you want this picture, I can change it. Like okay, I don't want this. If you feel if you just go to here, the cursor is symbol. There is a plus symbol. When it comes, when you clicked it, automatically what will happen? You can delete it. Like delete it. It will go off. That's it. Like kind of PowerPoint how you are using. It's very simple. And now I am making out the text. When you clicked in the double click inside the space, whatever the way, work from home. I'm making the digital course because I'm into the same platform, so I know the content. Simply, I will type for that. Okay, learn digital marketing from home. Okay, I want something text color. I want to change it out. How I'm going to change this font. There is a, if you go to here, multiple fonts are available. Okay, um, anything if you want you could change it, and also you could change the size, which size do you want it. 36, it's going a little bit big, and I will make it a 30 size. Yeah. So if you want, you just click here in this front. Yeah, maybe if you put it if you put it in the if you feel that no, I want it, this has to be in the center. If you want to make it out, control, let's cut it. You just cut that. Then one more time you could paste it. Okay. I did control X to cut. It's a shortcut key. Control V, it's a paste. Most of the people are aware that. Okay. Then I just want to.
Can you do it one more time?
Yeah, surely I will tell you. I will tell you. Yeah. 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 You can ask me, you can stop me in case if you are getting any confusion, please stop me. I will repeat once again. Okay. So this is I want to make it the title. Okay, it is like that it came. I want to make it the from home. From home, I want to come this middle. I want to make it out. I have right click, cut. I cut. Then I have made it first one sentence here. Okay. Then right click and paste. Control V. Okay, fine. Control V. So there is a control V. Here paste is not allowing. So you just put it control V. It came here. Then you could drag it out like that. The line it is showing the middle one. It is exactly middle line. That is what the pink color line which is showing. I am putting here. Simple.
Okay.
So then if you want, select all, like control A. Select all means control A, shortcut key. So guys, it's a very simple only. It's a very simple shortcut key. Control A, it is a select all. This is a control A button. Already right side you could see the shortcut key, whatever you want to use it out. Then now I am going here the color. Okay, the color I just want to make it the same blue or maybe red color, because I just want to make it out the from home. I just want to make it very very just want to make it as a different appearance. I will leave it like that. Okay. Here, no, I just want to make it as a my photograph. If you think your photograph, that is possible. How we will bring it our photograph. Okay. One more beautiful tip here I will tell you. This is a color already you guys understood that, and crop button wherever you want. You don't want it, you could crop it out. Okay, this is the crop tool. Okay, if you go to here, then image will go down. If you up, then what happened? The image has been uh, cut, has been totally the image will be cropped out. No, I just want to make it control Z. No, I just want it reback. Then there is a tool called undo. If you go here, undo option, you have to do the multiple times. Control Z is a very common option. Generally, I am using the shortcut key. Okay, so here I'm showing the tool how it works. I'm clicking here, undo, undo. Yeah, whatever the work you want to reback, you can go back and do. This is called the redo. No, I just lot more times it gone back. Again, I want to redo. Click it, come here. Click it, undo. So this is two options available here. When I click the image, I just want to flip it out. It is very easy. It's a wonderful option. When you click it, it flip. What happened? Do you want to flip horizontally or vertical? I'm clicking. See? Do you notice that? The image has been totally flipped. Okay. So this is also a very nice tool because I just wanted to make it the option here. If it is generally, people will look out the image in the left side and the content if it is the right side will look like very beautiful. So one more psychology tips I would say. Generally, people will look the right hand side image. Right hand side will look most of the people I will go off. So if you want to people make the content read, then make the content right side. If you are more concerned about your image, then you make it your image in the right side. Okay, that is a simple hack. You could learn it. Yes, I made it here. I made it center.
Yeah, that I also have noticed that, Salam. Is there a percentage that we need to focus on? Like the image should be like 50%, the content should be 40%, like that. The size should be, or is it okay?
Yeah. Revati, is the voice is a little bit low, so could you repeat that once again?
Yeah, and the size of the content and the image, should it be in a particular proportion, like 60% of the content, meaning the image should be there, 40% should be allocated for the content when you put it in the left and right side?
Yes, exactly. Yeah, yeah. So exactly what we
Okay.
want to market the products. That is pretty much important. And also, always I suggested for the Facebook post, when you create the ad, text should not be there more. Okay, text has to be very less, as much as less. Why? Because Facebook ad they will there is a possibility to rejection. I will tell you in future how to check the text overlay. There is a tool is there. In future I will let you know that tool also. Okay, so hope Revati, this is you understood what I'm showing this, huh? Revati, is that okay?
Yeah, this is perfectly okay.
So is
Yeah.
it okay, right? Yeah.
Will they reject the ad also? I
No,
never knew
that I'll show. No, in the Facebook ad, text to overlay. For example, text to overlay it should not be more. Image has to be more. That is what they will prefer. Okay,
Okay.
because as I told you that picture will speaks a lot. So better you guys make it your own picture. People connect a lot. Any kind of advertisement, you use it your natural images, not like any artificial images. Okay, any natural images, people will trust it. Why? Because people need a reality. People, they don't want as a artificial. Everyone knows, everyone, they are very super smart nowadays. All the customers are very super smart. Be natural, keep it your own post, own photos. There is nothing wrong in that. Okay. So people, they will connect you your product position. I'm coming here. So these are all the calls kind of how you are pushing out. So your images bottom will come, left it will come, right, center, right. So this is a tool. Okay, so maybe I will use it manually because I know that it's supposed to be exactly positioned. So this is what I will do it. And so my simple thing is over. Then I will make it out as I saw. My course fee is only 99 rupees. I have done one more Control V, Control C, Control V, Control C copy. So in the bottom, I will make it only 99 only. 99 only. Simple. Make it here or you could make it down. And also you put a button, one more button called registration button. I'll show here. Okay. For hope this is you understood. There is a photos. Photo. You want to upload your own photo. Go to upload in the bottom, in the left hand side. There I'm coming my own photographs. Upload on images. Okay. I have a very less photo, not much photos. One second, let me check it out. Mm, yeah, some photos are available. Okay. Uh, this is a photo in case if you want to make it out. So when it is uploaded, the image will be showing like that. So then automatically it will show here. So I can make it up and down. It could able to possible. Okay. So for example, so you guys, whatever the product you can do. Only the thing is I'm giving the practice how it's supposed to do. Yeah. So this you could do, and if you come for text, again I want to make the heading. You click it, the heading will add out. Again, as I told the same thing, you could make it the text size, everything. It can be changed in the top, like kind of MS Word, PPT, how you are using the same way. You could make it out size if you want to reduce it, make it in the authentic size, the heading, whatever the word you want, you could make it. Okay, so what I am going to, yeah. Now, unfortunately, I deleted what I did it. Then I put it Control Z. Then, this is gone suddenly. Somehow while doing it, gone. Not required to panic. Simply go here. This is called undo. Or else Control Z. Simply, it came. Simple. Yeah. This I don't want it. I want the button, registration button. I want it. How I am going to do? Yeah. I want some similar. Go to the elements here. I'm going to search it. See, 60 million premium images are available. It's like very huge. You can get it whatever you want. I want WhatsApp logo. WhatsApp logo. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I want to teach the people for class only WhatsApp. Okay, it came. Then I put it here. Okay, WhatsApp. My number. I'm going to text. Click add texting. Add texting is very huge. 9676222700. Okay. So I'm going to click it here. The number is very huge. You can again make it out in the size file around 40. Enter 40. Then will be reduced. What are the size? Simply how exactly it's matched. Like that, you could able to reduce your font size. Then I'm putting here. Yes, black color. If it is okay, then you will leave it like this, or else I could make it out in the. Don't use it majority maximum color. Only two colors. Either one or two colors. You use it for the pose. That makes a little bit official. So I just make it in the same. I am using the theme called only blue and red. Mm, So this is okay. I want registration call to action. Definitely, it has to be there in the image. Now I am coming the button called button. Let us choose the button. Beautiful button. Yeah, there's a lot more buttons are available here. This is a pro button. Maybe I want to use it. Any button called 1 second. Now I'm going to minimize this size. When I move it out, automatically the pink line, why it is showing the pink line, it is showing the exact center. So that means its position. You could easily understand, very simple. Okay, when I move, you see, so when I move it like this, it will show like this. Okay, yeah, now I'm making in the center. Yeah, right now. So again, I am going to make it the registration symbol. Click, yeah, register now. Register now. Okay, I'm bringing down here, or else only register. Register. I want to make it out in the font. How you want to make it out? Any font you could make it, and I am going to change the size. Again, you increase it. Keep it like this. Okay. What happened? It's done. Register, but it is not that much good color size. I will make it out in the black color. But this button for the training purpose I made it, but you just use it, very nice button. Generally have some other premium version, so I will go for the such kind of gold button always it looks very elegant. Okay, that's the reason people everybody make it pro. So these all buttons look royalty images. Okay. So the next, after practicing, then you could go for such kind of things. So initially, please do not require to pay anything else for Canva. It is very simple. Also, there is an app available in mobile. Even you can do it. Whatever I am showing here, it can be done using your mobile. Very simple process. Okay. This is what we already done it. Okay. Now I can able to do this is a template already available. Whatever the way, not only this, I just want to make it out for a jewelry ad. I want a jewelry ad. You search it. There are so many templates available here. Okay. How many templates? If you like any templates, you could select it. Only you can change the photographs. That's it. Very simple. For Mother's Day, Father's Day, celebration, your company, promotion, daily WhatsApp status, everything can be done it in fraction of minutes, 1 or 2 minutes, more than sufficient. Your daily status. Okay. So use the app very effectively. It works. It gives a lot more work. Okay. If I click it, then we'll go for the, if I want to add another image, click this button, add new image. Then what happened? It came page 2. Okay. Mine is in page 1. Page 1, yeah. So page 2, I just wanted to make it out in the up. It's up and down. Now let us make it sure that, okay, this is what I am working on. For any occasion, any event, if you want to make it out, I selected this template, change the simple design, something, that's it. The Canva, of course, Canva, this watermark, why it came, because this is not pro version, this is a free version. That is why it has not come. So maybe another image will select it, how it works. Yeah, the Canva is coming here. You could select it already as I upload the images, go upload, and whatever your photographs, you could change it out. Yes, now I'm changing here, and I could able to make it a fit. What happens? See, yes. Now I'm deleting the option. I am making the fit in my images. Okay. Okay. So that it is very simple, pretty much simple, because already they have customized a template. In that template, whatever the images you want, you could make it out. No, this is only one image. This is only one image. There are 2 images available. It's very simple, nice, simple. Looks like that. The same way. Okay. So you could, you guys can do that. If I don't want this page, I'm going to delete page. I'm giving here delete button. It's gone out. Okay. Done. Then I want to give the music. Music also, it is possible to add it out. That is a called the video. Let me open the add new page. Here, existing some shots are available. Let us see what kind of shots. Yes. But in generally for the video, I'm not using the Canva. I have some other software. So now I don't want to confuse the guys. So now you do what you guys do. Only the image design you do using through the Canva. Okay. Background. You make it the background. It is very simple background. Because whenever you do this, yes. So now I just came here. Same way. Selected the back. Any background you could choose it out. It's like that. Okay. If you want write any text, maybe write simple text I'm handling. Yeah, just for demo, I'm putting out here. Simply, I'm making out a caption. For example, daily people used to send the caption, some motivational stuff. So those things you could do it like this. It's like it's beautiful. Okay, that can be done. If and even if you want to change the color, you could change it out. Okay. Mhm. And apart from that, I'll tell you guys, one more thing for the Telugu fonts, what I can do. We can do the Telugu fonts. What would Tamil Telugu fonts? Any font we can download from the online. Okay. So basically, if I wanted Tamil fonts, font online, okay. Then there's a Google Translate also available. Tamil typing. Better I could tell you this one as well as Google Translate. So a lot more people they are know about the Google Translate. Google Translate, yes. In this Google Translate, click it here. Whatever the way you want to convert it, this will happen here. Okay. Say for example, you type it. Or else if you want to speak using the microphone, it will come out here. Okay. Tamil typing. Because I do not know the Telugu typing, I will try for my mother tongue, Tamil typing. Okay. Um, in digital marketing, other type of. I'm going to using the something digital people. DG, digital marketing. Okay. Copy பண்ணிட்டேன். I have copied the word. I am coming here. Control A just for demo. If you want it, Control V, digital marketing. Any font can come out. Still, if you want to type it, no, I'm lazy. I do not want to typing. I will stop. It has to convert as these things. Microphone automatically will take it out. But even there is another website also called dictation.io. Dictation.io. In this website, uh, go here. Uh, is a very beautiful website. This will translate whatever you speak. That will get translated. Okay, launch dictation. Okay. Uh, in the already in the bottom, something is translating. See, 1 second. I am going here. There's a lot more language are available, and I will Tamil. Yes, Tamil, Indian, Ilangai, Singapore, Malaysia. There's a lot more options available. I'll go Tamil and the Telugu also in the here. Of course I don't know Telugu. Let us see how it works. If I kick start. How to learn digital marketing. Of course, since I am in the some other microphone, it is not taking. But you guys try that. Definitely it will work out. Okay. So if you go to Tamil, automatically when you talk, automatically this will type here. This is a very wonderful, very authentic, like kind of precise statement. I got it. I tried a lot more Tamil language conversion from here only. So once if you type it, then you could directly share from here, email, everything. It could be connect from the same way. Okay. So for the language typing, it's very easy to Canva. Yeah, as I am in the tool. You guys understood. This is the basic elements, and after that, I did it only 2 pages. I done it. Then what I'm going to do, there is a button called down arrow. Okay. If I click it here, there is a two images, then it will save it as zip folder. If it is single image, directly will save it as a png file. Okay. Now all pages I wanted. In case if you wanted one or two, you could select it any one, but I need two images. So I'm going to download the option, preparing your design. um, yes, you leave it, cancel. uh, the images where it is getting downloaded, let us go see in the download option. This will be in the download. I have so many downloads. Maybe 1 second. So Mhm. So I am one more time. I'll download this. Okay. Yes. Download. Yeah. Now it has been downloaded. Last time somehow it has not downloaded. Now create a design pattern. I'm going to the pattern here. Yes, this is a folder has been generated. You could unzip the file. If it is a single file, will be download as a single file. Now I'm going to extract. Yes. So once if it is downloaded, will be the images will be stored. That's it. Very simple. Okay. Mm. Yeah. So ultimately, the image has been stored in the pattern in my folder. It looks like the two images located here. If you want, you can